We're gonna do fidget trading. Let's get started. Does anyone want to trade for this boring sun puppet?
Yes, I will because I'm poor.
Do you have anything to offer?
Yes, I can this puppet.
Okay. I think you need to add more.
Okay, I'll add this yellow gold puppet.
Yes, sure.
And you can do this like half pop.
I know. Yes.
Yes.
I guess.
Look up this is cool.
Do you want to trade for my favorite dinosaur puppet and this simple double?
And this is kind of heavy a little bit. I'll add you this fidget spinner.
No, I think you need to add one more thing.
I'm okay. I'll add this nice puppet. It's kind of boring.
I guess it's a fair trade.
Yeah, fair. It's a fair trade. Here we go. This is so cool.
This is the last thing I have. This pineapple puppet.
Oh, well that's sad. I'll give you this yellow puppet and this heart puppet.
I guess.
Okay. I have little pineapples, my favorite food.
Do you want to trade this fidget spinner? It's kind of getting boring. I think I already have like 20 fidget spinners.
I'm traded this some.
No, I think decline.
Okay. Fine. I'll add you this pineapple.
No, decline.
I think.
Something else.
I'll give you this simple thing.
No.
It should be. Fine. I'll add a T-Rex puppet.
Yay!
Ooh. Now I got my fidget spinner back. And a spin!
Was this a fair video? Or was it a fair trade? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And bye-bye. Fidget you later.
Wait. And also hit that notification bell. So I never miss a video from us. Bye!
Yeah.